Hi, this is Mrs. Acey. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Mayflower Compact. In 1620, a group of people who called themselves Saints and Strangers sailed across the Atlantic Ocean in search of religious freedom and a better way of life. We know them today as the Pilgrims. Originally, two ships set sail for the New World, the Speedwell and the Mayflower. The Speedwell began leaking and both ships returned to the dock. A second attempt also ended in the Speedwell leaking and both ships returning back to England. After returning to England, as many as people could left the Speedwell and joined the Mayflower. They finally set sail from England on September 6, 1620. This is a cutaway of what the inside of the Mayflower may have looked like. With over 130 people on board, it would have been very crowded and very uncomfortable. The Pilgrims' final destination was supposed to be Virginia. They had negotiated an agreement with the London Company to begin a colony there and had been given a charter. They were also given a patent for a tract of land there. However, the voyage had been very dangerous and it had been very difficult, but when they arrived, they first saw the shoreline of Cape Cod. They attempted to find the Hudson River and the land where they were supposed to settle in Virginia, but because of rough water, they set their anchor on the tip of what is now Cape Cod. Even though they had been on the crowded, uncomfortable boat for many days, they didn't disembark or get off the boat right away. Some people argued that they didn't land in Virginia, where they had been given the charter, and they didn't have the right to rule a new colony. So they decided that a document should be written and signed that would form them into a unity together. All the men signed the Mayflower Compact as an agreement to work together. The agreement would benefit everyone, the separatists and the strangers. Now that you know a little bit about the Mayflower Compact, I'd like you to read the copy of the compact that you've been given and complete the graphic organizer in your packet.